In this video, I'll show you how to change background color in Mailchimp. So it's actually working on this campaign right here. So we'll come here from the left-hand panel, click on campaigns, and we have this email I was working on. So I used one of their templates. So we'll come here, click on edit this design. And what I wanted to do, guys, is change this background color because I wanted it to match, okay, the theme of my logo of our channel, right? So all you need to do is come here and click on styles. On this left hand panel, you'll see styles. Click on this, click on email. Here you go. You see this? Background color. So go ahead and click this. Now we can select any of these colors. Of course, if you want, guys, you can always click on this plus icon and pick a color using the eyedropper tool. So as you can see, we picked that up, right? You see that? So we have that, click on done. And now you can change the body color the same way. Of course, you can choose one of these default colors, but I'll pick the ones we have right here. All right, that looks much better. We have the theme going now, as you can see. And it's really that easy and simple.